Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Suicide Safety Plan. What is a suicide safety plan? A suicide safety plan guides individuals dealing with suicidal thoughts or impulses. Individuals can identify their warning signs, use effective coping strategies, reach out to their social support network, and connect with professional mental health resources. This plan is highly personalised and created collaboratively between the person at risk and a mental health professional or trusted individual. It considers the individual's experiences, triggers, coping mechanisms, social connections, and available mental health resources. The plan aims to provide a clear path towards safety during a crisis. A suicide safety plan also often includes a list of reasons for living. These personal and positive affirmations can serve as powerful reminders when someone struggles with intense negative emotions or suicidal thoughts. As a result, it's commonly used by psychologists, counsellors, therapists, and more. Here's how to use a suicide safety plan. The first step is to fill in patient information at the top, making sure to include accurate details. You'll then need to go through over all of the steps and descriptions, noting relevant information. The final step is to complete the notes for treatment, which can be used to help the individual towards safety. To view a sample suicide safety plan, head on over to carepatron.com where you can download and access the plan for free. You can also access the plan within the Carepatron community platform. All you have to do is type in the keywords, click on the note, and edit however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare related videos.